Hey there, Vashon, the Tough Mama, and we're in the wood shop today because my buddy Jack here, say hi. We're gonna be building a little Valentine box for him because Valentine's is next week, and one of the things we want to start doing is sharing some of the projects that we're doing. We've had a lot of people that have asked us, how do you build this? What are you guys doing? You're so creative. So we thought we would share what we're up to. So here we go. Let's get busy. So here's what the finished project looked like, and you can see it opens up. And we started out with our project by just talking, Jack and I, about what he wanted, and he decided he wanted a pretty long box that he could easily open and has a mail slot in the top for putting Valentines. And we decided that we would make it 10 inches long by 6 inches wide on the end and 5.5 inches tall. And then the little things, the lines on top that I drew, those are the stabilizers to hold two pieces of wood together for the mail slot. Here is the pieces that we use for the lid, and you can just pause the video if you wanted to mark those things down. But you can see there's basically 5 pieces of wood for that. And then here are the pieces that we use for the box bottom. And all of our wood, it's pallet wood is what we use, and most of it is 3/4 inches thick. So now it's just a matter of making cuts, and you can see us making some cuts here on the miter saw. And like I said, we use pretty rough wood, pallet wood, and we don't worry so much about all of the imperfections. In fact, we kind of like that. And then what we do at the end is we sand it, and we get most of the imperfections come out when we do the sanding. But it adds character to any of our projects. And here, before I start nailing it together with a nail gun, we put it together like a house of cards, and just stacking it up there, we can make sure that all of our pieces are cut properly. I had tacked on a piece of wood there on the bottom so I understood the distance for the mail slot. Once we tacked it together, you can see that was our finished piece. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope that you enjoy this short little project. I'll be sharing some other projects that I do with pallet wood and other things that I've got going on at the Tough Mama blog. You can check that out at toughmamablog.com. You can also subscribe to us on YouTube so that you'll be up to date on big projects that we've got going on, small or big. And we hope that you'll comment down below, let us know what you think, or if you have questions, or if there's some project that you'd really like to see us tackle. We'd love to hear from you. Make it a great day, and we will see you on the next Tough Mama blog.